Hi, in this video, we'll be going over how to extract up to 100 leads per day from Google Maps for digital marketing agencies, and also how to find verified business emails for such businesses. So to get started, open up Google Sheets. Make sure you, in the extensions, have the Maps 2 Sheets, which is completely free to install. You have that locked in here, and we can open up the sidebar, like so. Once this loads up, you'll notice there's two key input areas, the search query and the location. So let's get started with typing in digital marketing agency. And this works like any search engine. You can type in anything in the search query and specify the location if you want to go local or even global. Let's say we are interested in London, UK. And one tip before we click import to sheet is if you want more results, because one search yields up to 20 leads, we do recommend varying the wording, the word order, and also the level of detail that you go into with these prompts. Furthermore, you can also filter the results here. This can be by the ratings or the reviews left on such businesses on Google Maps, and also only return businesses without a website or without a phone. Let's now import this to our sheet. As it takes a few seconds, you'll notice the data will populate from left to right, where we'll be presented with business names, emails, as you can see here from the second row, addresses, phone numbers, websites, and a couple of other metrics. And on the right, you'll see we have successfully found 20 prospects, and that's unique prospects per search. So from here, you can manipulate the data however you want, use some of the inputs and outputs to outreach, call email, call phone. And speaking of email, we can then head over to our Enrich tab, like so. And again, every free account starts with 5 Enrich email credits. And the way it works is, let's say we are seeking the first 4, so let's go 2 to 5. You could also write this 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to specify, let's say you want number 16 as well. And we can select Enrich selected rows, press OK, and this will verify all email for such businesses. And every verification can yield up to 20 emails for that particular business. And an extra comment on that is you only get deducted a credit if there's an actual found result. So if there's no emails for such a company or for a lead, you won't be deducted a credit. So that's a nice nifty feature. As you can see, as we are going through the list, the software is finding the emails. So let's look at the first 2 for now as the rest load. We'll go all the way to the right, and you'll notice the verification status has stated valid, and we have about 13 emails for the first one and up to 20 for the second, and a couple here for the third. So we'll just let the others load up. So there's 2 more to go. But with this tool, you can very easily fetch verified lead information or just extract business data from Google Maps with a generous free tier, which again is 5 searches, which is 1 search up to 20 results, i.e. 100 results per day, up to, and the 5 email enrichments that you can get started with to do just that. Perfect. So let's do final verification of the emails, and as you can see, all of the businesses we selected have valid emails found, and they're listed like so. So there you go. This is how you can extract such information for digital marketing agencies. Again, we specified in London. You can, again, vary the wording or the word order and redo such a search to yield new results and repeat the process again. Any questions or feedback, do let us know and we'll get back to you. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day.